Hi guys, this is Luz from Vintage Faith Journals. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, just dealing with health problems and a few other things, but I have the energy to do this, so I'm gonna do these flip throughs. And I hope you're all doing well, you and your families, and we're doing good here, thank God. And these two journals that I'm going to show you are design team projects for LavenderBlu, and they are for May, which is this one, and the other one is for June. All right, so this one here is called Vintage Botanicals. That's the name of the kit. I'm going to leave her links below so you can check her out. And she has recently come out with a bunch of new digitals and kits, and they're just great. So I hope you go to her Etsy shop or her website and her YouTube channel and just check out everything that she has. They're lovely. So this one measures 5 by 8. This is like a semi hardcover because it's pretty stiff, but it's flexible. And this cover is made with a coffee dyed lace paper, and it's bonded onto like a medium weight chipboard, and so it's very sturdy. And I stitch all around it, and I sealed the cover with Mod Podge matte and also a cream wax. It's called chalk wax cream, so that gives it a nice soft shine, and so it's not sticky at all. So I love that. All right, so on here, this image on top, this is a piece of one of the journaling cards right here with the little flowers and with the flat back pearls, and it's on top of a piece of vintage book paper, and you're sewing around that as well. This little butterfly, there's two here to make it dimensional. I cut the top one a little smaller, and these are from the kit also, and two little flat back pearls in the middle. This here is a piece of a linen napkin with Battenberg lace trimming. Okay, here it says field notes, and this is a freebie from Artie Mays. All right, on top here I have a bowl pin with a charm, and it says it is well with my soul. On the side here is crochet trim on the binding, and it has two signatures, and it's held with sari silk, so it is removable. It's very easy to take it out and replace it with another signature. So here the closure, it's a piece of cotton fabric on a hitch post closure there. Okay, and this is the back here. And I just love the variation of this design with the coffee. It's just beautiful. And then there is my little label. Okay, so let me open her up here. Alrighty. Okay, so this is the first page. Inside cover is also lined with the same lace coffee paper and also sealed. So here we have this label and one of the butterflies from the kit with the little pearls. We have this little label here that says botanical, and it has a definition. This is a vellum pocket stitched. This envelope here is from the kit, and I have two cards here. This one's from the kit, and this one is Victoria Designs, I believe. Yes, this one there. All right, so this page here is from the kit, Alright, it's eco-dyed printable paper, lined paper. This is a cutout from a vintage botanical book. This is parchment paper, vintage book. This glassine bag, and these are cutouts from a book as well of botanicals. We have a card here, a journaling card. Okay, and I think this is from Kelly's Crafts. Coffee dye paper, vintage paper doily. Another one of the pages in the kit. Okay, a eco-dyed printable. This is also a printable. And this is onion skin paper, which was sent to me by a friend, Mary Beth. And thank you again, Mary Beth, for all the lovely things you send me in Happy Mail. This is another page from the vintage botanical book. And here I have a pocket and 2 index cards with one of the butterflies from the kit and a cutout from the book. Okay, coffee dyed, page from the kit. Lined paper, printable. This is from a small little book about trees from the 1960s. Parchment. This is an accordion place to write in. One of the butterflies, vintage music sheet. Coffee dyed. Yeah, coffee dyed. Another page from the kit there. Okay, more of the cards from the kit. In my pocket, this is Victoria Designs, an eco-dye printable, vintage dictionary page. And this is paper from Spain, ledger paper. That's vintage. Okay, that's from the kit. And this is the, okay, lined paper. The middle of the signature. I have an envelope here that I sewed it in with the spine, and that's a card, journaling card from the kit in the envelope. Okay, as you can see, I have a lot of writing space here. A different variety of very nice papers from the kit there. Ledger, a dictionary. Okay, another card here from the kit, and this is just an extra paper. This is parchment, and this pocket here is a cutout from a botanical book. The background is eco-dyed printable. Okay, coffee dyed. This is just a cutout. It's for decoration there. This is a seed packet. Made it into a pocket, and that's one of the cards. Also from the kit. Okay. From the kit, beautiful and bright. Love it. Okay, and that's from the vintage book. Onion paper, onion skin paper. I think that's how you say it. Botanical background from Artie Mays. Printable, pretty. The other side of the glassine bag, and here I have a little booklet made from a double page that I shrunk down. And that's from the kit also. And it's a little pocket here. And another little label. This one says STEM. And the definition for that. Yeah. A seed envelope. And this one says horticulture. And that's a cutout from one of the journaling cards. And I think I have a card in here. Yes. Okay. All right, so now we're going into the second signature. Okay, I was stamped there. Scripture, cut out from the botanical book, parchment, one of the pages. This is an envelope that I folded in half, and the pocket, one of the cards, another label. That one says leaf, definition. Okay. Coffee dye doily with a butterfly. And the kit, onion skin paper again. And Edith Holden page. This is a fabric pocket here, and a journaling card from Victoria Designs, from a botanical kit that she has, and it's a scripture stamped here. Okay. Another page in the kit, parchment. Okay. Another journaling card. And this is scrapbook paper, so pretty. And this is equal dye printable. This is a ledger account ledger sheet. That's vintage. It was sent to me by Mary Beth. Another pretty page. It's a cutout from the one of the books. This is parchment. That's a scripture up here, stamp, parchment, lined paper, and this is the other envelope in the kit, and a journaling card. It's the middle of that signature. Okay. Right there, another page, another cutout from the book. This is the other side of the it's the other side of the parchment paper, and it says friendship is almost always the union of a part of another. People are friends in spots, and that's a quote there. And then there's another one here about friendship, another quote. And the kit there. Coffee dye paper, cutouts from the botanical book, so pretty. Scrapbook paper, cutout butterfly, and a journaling card. Okay, and the kit there. The other side of Edith Holden, and then a teeny weeny little envelope that I made with one of the journaling cards. I didn't put anything in there though. Okay, from the book. Another butterfly on the doily. Nice there. The other side of the envelope. Journaling card cut out from the book, a page from the book, vintage book. Alright, another card here. This is this beautiful cutout of a calla lily from a botanical book, and here it says herbaceous with another definition, and this is the back of the journal. This is a vellum side tuck pocket. This says nature, and journaling card here, from Calico Collage, and it is a cutout from the vintage book. Okay. So that's the one for May, and it will come in inside this muslin bag. Both of the journals will come with one of those nice bags. Okay, now this one is Farm Life. That's the name of the kit that I used for this one. Okay, the title I gave it is The Faithful Sower, and you can take that card out and put in your own if you would like to. All right, so this is also made with medium weight chipboard. It's covered with this red cotton fabric. Let's see, has the book corners, and on top of the bottom here is a little cotton drawstring bag, and I have in here one of the envelopes from the kit, and it's a free printable little sheep journaling card, and I made this little photo booklet there. Okay, and I have here a piece of a cotton placemat there, vintage. That's some fabric here, gingham fabric, burlap, a little doily, and 3 wooden buttons there. And then I have this little skirt here, this cotton fabric. I have this nice farm fabric on the spine, and that is the back. Okay, oops, try to get this right here. All right, put that in. Okay, so the closure here is just this flower. It's called cotton flour sack. Yes, flour sack fabric. So I just have that tied up with eyelets. All right, and this measures 5.5 by 8.5, and it has 104 pages. Okay, so here we have this tag. It's from the kit. This is free printable there. This is a long, big tag from Artie Mays, and then we have this free one, free printable, and then this says vegetation on that little label. This is vellum pocket with a little stamp here. These little 2 children with a sheep. All right, inside is lined with this really nice cotton farm design fabric. Gingham on the spine there. So we have vellum. This is one of the pages from the kit, and it's called Farm Life. I love making farm journals. I just love it. So here is a bag. This is a little bag here, and I have this tag. This is from Vintage Ads that I just Mod Podged it on there. Okay, and this is a cotton fabric and burlap, and then this is a milk bottle cap that's vintage. Okay, coffee dye paper, lined paper with the rooster there. This is Honey Ruth Designs printable. Okay, this is another little envelope from the kit, and I have a vintage plain card in there. Rooster, so cute. And that's a free printable here, this pocket. Okay, okay, this is from the kit. I lined all the with coffee dye paper. Okay, we have cotton trim at the bottom. Vintage music sheet. Don't fence me in. That's the title. Fabric. This is just for decoration there. Okay. Coffee dyed lace paper. This is from a vintage children's book. Okay, glassine bag. All right, this is a vintage library reference card, and this is a printable. Don't remember the name of the. It was a free printable though. If you would like to know, just let me know in the comments, and I'll find out the name of the designer. Okay, this is from the kit. A stamp here in the bottom, scripture stamp. Okay. This is Artie Mae's. This is from a vintage children's book about farming. Okay. Lined paper. Another book about farms. Okay. This is from pixel.com, where you can download free pictures to use as much as you want. All right, that's a tag with a little booster on there. This is a big journaling card or postcard. And I think LavenderBlu, I think she offers this as on her blog or website as a freebie, but I'm gonna double check, but I'm pretty sure that's from her. And okay, so writing lined paper, another page from the kit. Okay. And this is a vintage book about farming. And then there's in the back here, there's lined paper behind that, washi tape here, stamping here, find beauty in the simple things. Stamping here of a little horse. Coffee dyed, another stamp, scripture, ledger, vintage paper from Spain. Another page from the kit. Freebie. This is from the kit as well. And this is a doily, coffee dyed, and I just folded it up and just put a card in here. Okay, coffee dyed, little children's book. Another one of the pages from the kit. Okay. And the children's book. Coffee dyed ledger paper. Okay. Page from the kit. This is a journaling, big journaling card that I made with scrapbook paper and then these fabric pieces. In God We Trust. This is all fabric. And then this little skirt here. I just love this card. Okay, clip it back on there. Coffee dyed paper. Oh, trying to hurry because last time I ran out of time and it just got cut off the whole video. So this is the second time that I'm doing it. All right, so this is free printable. Washi tape, so it's a flip up. Okay. Page from the kit. This is the middle of the signature. This pretty coffee dyed lace paper, and I buy this paper from a lovely woman. Her name is CJ Christopher, and she has several designs, so you get a variety of designs, and she does a really nice job and very reasonable. So if you would like to order from her, just let me know. Okay, that's from the kit. This is a tag covered in fabric. This is a fabric pocket. And got this little small tag. Okay, stamping here. I put gesso on here. Okay. This is a little flip folder. All right, and this is ribbon down here, vintage ribbon with a little farm design on it. And then I have these there, and these here. 3 of these. Farmer's market. Okay. And it's lined with coffee dye paper. Okay. It closes like that. From the kit here, ledger paper for the children's book, coffee dye paper. Okay. This is one of the envelopes from the kit. And inside I have another fabric covered tag there. I have this glassine envelope with some little small journaling cards with the booster. So 4 little cards there. And this is vintage as well, the glassine envelope. Okay, put that to the side. I'm trying to hurry. All right, so this is Artie Mays again. One of the pages from the kit. The other side. Okay. Children's book. Coffee dyed. This is the doily again. Another free printable from Pixels. Okay. Nice page from the kit. Ledger paper. Seed envelope. With the window and a little card there. It says, "Sit a spell." Okay, nice place to write. Okay, from the kit. This is a fabric trim. Okay, and this opens up. This is a farming book, and it all has quotes from farmers and different people. All right, so that opens up, and then I have this long tag and stamping on the bottom and on the top. And this is gessoed. And children's book. The other side of the children's book. Okay. The kit here. Glassine envelope, bag, okay, journaling card, and a page from the farming quote book. And the children's book. Coffee dye paper. I have a pocket here and a little mini collage of different fabrics. This is a tag also from a vintage ad, and that's a free printable there. And then these recipe cards. This is from a scrapbook company. I got those in there. And I printed them on coffee dyed cardstock. Okay. Okay. Coffee dye paper. And this is a cardstock pocket, crochet trim, scripture stamp here. And this is a booklet, little pocket on the front with this little small tag. Another pocket here, fabric, the same fabric as the cover. And this is from the kit, this tag. And this flips up. It's just a little notepad in there. Okay. Okay, and this is the last page in the kit. This is the vellum and the back cover. Just love that fabric. And I just frayed it around the edges. Alright, so that is the back of that. And yeah, so that comes with one of these muslin bags. Okay. Alrighty, thank you everyone for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed looking at these journals, and I will be back soon with more. So thank you everyone, take care, talk to you soon, bye bye.